Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Exploration Simulation video on our need statement pick and place. This is team 13 and our team members are Parag Hegde, Devarat BN, Vaishnavi Sridhar Bhatt and myself Ranjita Prashant Hegde. We have completed the course project under the guidance of Radhika Amashi ma'am. Our project is called Chalk Operator as it is used to pick and place the chocolates. This is the problem definition. We have highlighted the points which are important such as functions, objectives and constraints. These are the 4 generated concepts of our need statement. Each of them is unique and can be used to perform the required operation, and they work on different mechanisms. We have selected this concept from above 4 generated concepts by taking the help of bug chart considering portability, controlling and appearance as the design objectives.
Let us have a look onto 3D model. Here is the simulation of the gripper with the help of 4th servo motor. Here is the bending of the arms, that is first arm with the help of first servo motor. This is the bending of the second arm with the help of second servo motor. Next, with the help of third servo motor, bending of the third arm to which the gripper is attached happens. Switch is used for the indication and ultrasonic sensor is used to detect the chocolate. This is how the rotation of the front 2 wheels happens with the help of 2 DC motors which is fixed inside the base using L-clamp. Rotation of the rear wheels also happens in the same way as the front one using 2 DC motors.
As you all can see here, this is a circuit diagram of our course project Engineering Exploration with the need statement pick and place. In this circuit we have used 4 DC motor, 4 servo motor, 4 potentiometer, breadboard, LED, 2 batteries, ultrasonic sensor, Arduino and the connecting wires. From these 4 DC motor, each will be given to the wheel of the robot so we can have an easy movement. 4 potentiometer is used to handle the each servo motor that we have used here. From this 4 servo motor, first servo motor is given to the first arm of the robot and this will be given to the second arm of the robot and the third servo motor is given to the third arm of the robot so that the robotic arm will take the most for picking the chocolate. And the last servo motor is given for the gripper so that it could hold the chocolate. Ultrasonic sensor is used to sense the chocolate. All these are connected through the connecting wire with the help of the Arduino and breadboard. And this is the code for the circuit. Now let's see the simulation of the circuit. When we on switch, the LED blinks and the DC motor rotate. Ultrasonic sensor is used to sense the chocolate. Servo motor rotate with the help of the potentiometer. So, robot will start working as per the input given to it.
Because of this engineering exploration course project, we learned how to work in a team by having a good coordination with mutual understanding. As this was a virtual implementation, it was helpful for us to build a 3D model in Autodesk software in an easy way by connecting all the constraints. And Tinkercad, which was very helpful for us to understand the way of using many more components and make a complete circuit. We would like to thank our course guide because we gained various different knowledge, even explored some of our and teammates' creative and innovative thinking sides in us, which were kind of fun, and we even made new good friends and got to know them better. We learned something from every single one of them. With the help and support of our course guide and a mutual understanding between us helped a lot to complete this course in an effective way. Thank you.